It's Nia V, Brazen One, slaying these hoes, soft like a knotless, all the way to the toes. Nia do it better, but you hoes knew that though. Go ahead and subscribe. What y'all waiting for?
What's poppin' YouTube? It's your girl Nia Leanna back again with another video. As you can see by the title, in today's video we're going to be installing this 4x4 closure wig that I ordered from Amazon. I already bleached the knots and plucked it off camera, and as you can see right now, I'm just adding my makeup to the lace to make sure that it blends in a little better with my skin, and it is giving scalp as soon as I put it on, as you guys can see. Yeah, I was able to get this video down to 5 minutes. When I first started, it was 30 minutes long. I cut out so much because, as y'all will see in some of the clips, I was dancing, I was singing, I was really turned. And majority of the time in the video, I was just doing that. I was not doing hair, so I had to cut out a lot. So that's why it's so short. But hopefully y'all can appreciate that because we got straight to the point. So as y'all may know from the last video, I am a beginner at installing lace wigs because the last video was my first time installing the frontal. Now I'm installing the closure. This is probably my third time installing the closure, but I am still in the beginning stages. So y'all may see me make a lot of mistakes. If y'all have any tips, please leave them down below in the comments because I am really trying to perfect this. Not to offer it as a service, but just to be able to slay my own wigs. And yeah. So if y'all have any tips and tricks, let me know. Also, y'all let me know if y'all like this type of content because I really enjoy recording these type of videos with me installing these wigs. So if y'all like it, let me know so I can keep pushing those type of videos out for y'all. I am trying to get some different content on my channel. So if y'all like this, that would be awesome. Alright, I'm going to stop rambling and let y'all enjoy the rest of the video with some music. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see y'all in the next video.
Keep it juicy, juicy. I eat that lunch. She keep that booty, booty. She keep that plump. That natural beauty, beauty. Yeah, yeah. If you could see it from the front till you see it from the back, back till you see it back, yeah. Back till you see it from the back, yeah. Back till you see it from the. If you could see it from the front till you see it from the back, yeah. You like it thick, you like it fat, yeah. Like it keep on wanting more. He asked me, baby, where you at, huh? They don't wanna know how long it take to pull my pants up. Poke a finger, net and some. Tryna squeeze into my true religion, that no. Celebrate, don't wanna say you like it. I don't buy it with a cellulite. He said the body unbelievable. Can't trust that big, but then again, man, I keep it juicy, juicy. I eat that lunch. She keep that booty, booty. She keep that plump. That natural beauty, beauty. Yeah, yeah. If you could see it from the front, wait till you see it from the back. Back till you see it back, yeah. Back till you see it from the back, yeah. Back till you see it from the. If you could see it from the front, wait till you see it from the back.
Bring that ass over, Doja, bring it back. I'm a big dog tryna eat the kitty cat. I'ma slide in the way it fit. I can tell we match. All about my racks, hella cheese. I don't for rats. Big crib in Hollywood, I don't even that. Come relax, let it attack. Get you wanna act. Take a look with the pop, wipe the pain away. Juicy and it's tighter than a virgin, like Madonna say. I love when you give it and I love when you don't. Hit me with the grease, I mean sometimes you won't. You told me don't. With no is you know. You got it, yeah, you got it, baby. Bust it on the floor.
I keep it juicy, juicy. I eat that lunch. She keep that booty, booty. She keep that plump. That natural beauty, beauty. Yeah, yeah. If you could see it from the front, wait till you see it from the back. Back till you see it back, yeah. Back till you see it from the back, yeah. Back till you see it from the. If you could see it from the front, wait till you see it from the back. He need the rump and need the thighs. He eat that up and in the night. He see that in the dark and in the right.